Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivation speaker. Today I am going to speak about how to improve interpersonal skills at workplace. In any organization, interpersonal skills are very important to achieve organizational goals or objectives. So organization will give first preference organization culture, discipline, and workplace environment, etc. So, through this video, I will give some of the tips how to improve ourselves in to improve interpersonal skills. Through good communication, we can able to improve our interpersonal skills. What is good communication? We should actively and positively need to make communication with others. Effective communication, whether it could be a verbal communication, whether it could be a written communication, whether it could be a non-verbal communication, that should be a very much effective. Through effective communication, we can able to improve our interpersonal skills. We need to maintain professional code of ethics with others. We need to have a professional relationship with our colleagues. Then only we can able to improve our interpersonal skills. We should not keep any personal relationship with each other. If we maintain professional code of ethics as well as professional relationship, obviously definitely we can able to improve our interpersonal skills. We should give respect to each other. Everybody is unique character in nature, dynamics of human behavior. So we have to maintain the differences of each individuals. If we can effectively manage the dynamics of human behavior, we can have a very good interpersonal skills with each other. We can maintain very good relationship, professional relationship in between each other. So this is very important. We need to maintain professional relationship. We need to give respect to with each other. We should identify their negatives and positives. We have to take more positive qualities with in other person. What will happen? We are not digging positive qualities of in with anybody. We are digging only negative qualities. While digging gold, we have to remove unwanted waste materials. We have to take or we have to collect gold. Like that, we have to dig good qualities with each other so that our interpersonal skills will be improved at workplace. We need to give priorities to others. We need to motivate others. We need to give priority to others. Definitely, the bounce back, they will give respect and they will give motivation. They will give whichever we required if we give. We first of all we have to give first and take next. We need to give respect and take respect. That policy which need to be adopted at workplace. Then we can able to have a very good interpersonal relationship with each other. Whenever taking decisions, we have to give priority to others. What will happen? I'm the manager. I will take my decision on my own. I will not consult with my subordinates or peers. So directly I will take decision without their consent or without their words. So that should not happen in any organization. We have to consult with each other. We have to give priority to our subordinates also to while making a decision. That should be a that will be create good environment at workplace as well as boost their mindset to achieve our organization objectives. It is very important that we have to give priority to others also. We have to we have to recognize their ideas. We can conduct brainstorming camping so that we can spontaneously we can get the information from others. So while taking decision, we have to consider collab or collaboration with each other. We need to take decisions. This is very important. Then next, the dress code of ethics. We need to maintain some dress code in any organization. The dress code will leads to a good interpersonal relationship with each other. If we make dress ugly, that will leads or damage to the interpersonal relationship. Whenever we are speaking or listening, we need to listen carefully what they are saying. After completion of their communication, we have to communicate. We should not interrupt in between. We have to show interest their communication so that they will give very in, they will give interest to our communication. Means we should not interrupt in between while talking or communicating with each other. So these are very important tips which we can able to improve our interpersonal skills at workplace. And what we should not do, that also is very important to improve our interpersonal skills at workplace. We should not make gossips. We should not create unwanted talks or gossips with other. So that gossips will damage our interpersonal relationship. So we should not do that. And unwanted politics we should not do at workplace. We are here to work for some hours, like 8 hours, 9 hours. So in that time, we should not make gossiping. We should not make unwanted topics. Whenever we required, that time only we have to speak. Sometimes silent is the best answer. We should not we should not speak unwantedly. We should not gossiping unwantedly. That leads or damage to our interpersonal relationship. So and we should not keep any egos. We should not keep any egos with each other. Instead of I, we should use we. If we use we word, we can able to build interpersonal skills at workplace is very easily. We should not keep any egos. We should not. We should kept egos aside. We should not make any jealousies. If somebody grown means you should not get jealous. How he has grown, we have to identify his qualities. We can learn from him how he has grown. So we need to adopt some good qualities with others. So that instead of jealous, if we adopt some good qualities or skills in our life, definitely we can also able to grow. We should follow live and let live policy. Some people are there. If we give preference to somebody else, he will grow above me and he will become leader or manager. But we should not think about it. That's all faith. We have to work promptly. We have to work dedicatedly. One or other day, definitely we can lead to our success. We should not think about negatives. We should think always positive. So we should not keep any egos or jealousy towards. We should always take positive. Then after, we should respect each other. We have to give respect and take respect. So, and final is we need to have empathy towards our colleagues. Empathy means what? Sympathy can give anybody, but empathy means if they are in trouble, we have to think, yeah, if I get trouble the same, that has to think if we are in their position, what will be happens. So that kind of belongingness we should have with each other. Definitely, we can make very good interpersonal skills at workplace. So I think this video has covered all the things do's and do nots to improve our interpersonal interpersonal communication skills at workplace. Thank you.